Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing from the Yves Saint Laurent, and actually I got this from Nordstrom. So from Nordstrom they have just a plain box packaging. So this particular item is something that I wanted for such a long time. I mean, this particular piece, yes, but the color, I've just been waiting for the right color. So anyway, so they just put this on their own packaging actually. So this is the Saint Laurent box right here, which is in black. This is the product information of the item. And let me show you what I got. So, okay, we have a dust bag right here. And yeah, the felt is actually really nice though. I kind of like it. It says there Saint Laurent, nothing else at the back. And to reveal the item that when I saw it on the website, it's like, oh my gosh, I have to have it. The color is everything to me. So anyway, this is just their information. This is the product information. It is $445 US right there. And oh my gosh. Okay. So this is a card holder from Yves Saint Laurent. It is a small mid-to-lace leather envelope wallet. I just got this not too long ago from the mail. I am so excited. I got it at Nordstrom. I guess only Nordstrom is the only one that carry this. I'm not 100% sure, but I have checked it on the website. They don't have this on the website and other stores, but I got this at Nordstrom. Right here, it is in this beautiful, beautiful green color. This one has a different style though. The YSL logo right there, the emblem. It's actually in a silver hardware. Wow, it is so stunning. I will give you a closer look of how stunningly beautiful the YSL logo right there. I guess, yeah, they hang it in here. There is this stuff right here all the way towards the back. The back has a pocket right there. I don't know, guys. I just got it, but it feels so stiff. I mean, this one is made up of this mid-to-lace quilting pebbled leather. As you guys can see, the pebbling right there of the leather. So it is like a pebbled leather. And I'm not sure made up of, I mean, I don't know, but it does feel like plastic to me. Like right now, it didn't feel like, didn't have this more likely a leather, soft leather feeling to it. It did, I could not smell the leather in it as well. It does smell like plastic. It smells like it has a mixture of a polyurethane in it. I mean, I don't know. Okay, let's take a look at inside. Sorry, I'm so meticulous. Yeah, it doesn't seem to smell like a real leather at all. So the flap right here, it has this is not a magnetic closure. This is a snap closure right here. Okay, so as you guys can see right there, it says Saint Laurent Paris. It's in silver hardware. And as you guys can see right there, this one is made up of a really nice polished leather though. If it is leather, because it is so stiff. It's like it wouldn't, I don't know, it is just stiff, guys. I have no idea why is it so stiff, but that's just my initial reaction, my first impression on this beautiful piece right here. And I also noticed on the website, the color is actually lighter than in person. This is more likely in a dark green color, but on the website, it's a little bit brighter than what is being pictured. So I'm just letting everybody know that when you purchase this, this is actually darker than it appears on the website. Okay? So let's take a look at inside. This one, it says right here, Saint Laurent Potty, made in Italy. Right there. So this one is made in Italy, and it has a silver foil in it, a heat stamp, and also, yeah, the made in Italy ones, they did not actually stamp it with the silver foil in it. It's just like that. Okay, let's take out some of the stuffing right here. So when you open it, it has a large opening right here. This one is large right here, and it has 1, 2 on the back corner. It has 2 card slots. Right here in front, it has 1, 2 card slots as well. So the inside is actually lined with leather, smooth leather, and at the back of this card slot is actually lined at the bottom with a fabric. So this one is not like made up of leather in and out. So I don't know, my initial impression on this particular piece, it looks so beautiful. It looks luxurious, but it feels cheap to me. That's my honest thought. If you want me to be honest with my thought about this piece, it is not my opinion, but it is what I'm actually feeling right now. It feels cheap, to be honest. So anyway, this one is hard. So right there, so you guys can see the quilting. The quilting is actually beautiful. Right there, it's not, yeah, it's just a little bit of puffiness in it. Right there, there is no glazing. That's the nice part about the thing. It was actually the leather were folded right at the corner. So I would say that this would last a longer period of time because you're not going to worry about the corners right here cracking if this one is sealed with the edge paint. So that is a plus on that piece right here. I totally love it. This is how it looks on the side. Right there, this pebbled leather, and it is gorgeous. It is gorgeous. So this part has a different pattern, and also the inside has a different pattern as well. So entirely different. At the back, yeah, it has a different pattern. Oh, I'm not sure if I'm actually seeing something. Did I just ruin this or what? Because look at that, guys. It looks like there is a dent. I'm just gonna show you. Yeah, I'm not sure if my camera is picking up, but there is a dent right here, so I'm probably gonna have to position it right here. But there is a dent on the leather, so it feels stiff, really stiff, to be honest. But why is it there is a dent right here? So yeah, that's actually a dent on, see? I'm going to show you there is a dent. It's not even. On this part, it is even, but on this part, I could see that this part is lower right here. There is a dent. Maybe I could try to, I'll just try to press it, maybe from their shipment or something. Yeah, it's like the dent is, if I try to press it like that, it just stays like that. You see, that's odd. So if I try to press this, it's fine. Right here, it's fine. But this one has a deeper dent to it. For some reason, I could not explain why. So maybe I'm just being too picky, but I'm just showing you. If you press it here, it's causing a dent. But this side, nothing. But this side, it's like it's showing that right there, the dent. I have no idea what's going on with this piece. Regardless, she is stunning. She is so beautiful. It does seem to look like, I really love the logo right here, the silver logo. It is absolutely gorgeous. I mean, I don't even know how many cards it could fit in here, but I'm pretty sure it could fit a lot. Actually, it looks like it is roomy though. This one is priced as $445 US. And yeah, it is gorgeous. This one is really beautiful. The color is amazing. I wish the color it could have been a little bit lighter though. But I think just looking at it right now, I think this one is it's perfect. I'm actually seeing some, I don't know if that is a wear right there, that the leather is actually peeling. I'm not sure. I have to check that up close when I'm done filming. This one is perfect right here. So yeah, this one is constructed beautifully. I love the fact that it is compact. I love the YSL logo right here. The silver hardware is stunning. I love the quilting right here as well. Love the pebbled leather. That's because you don't need to worry about scratches, the visible scratches. I doubt you'll see scratches in this one. It is polished. It's again, it bothers me here. I just touched it and it started to, I don't know. I have no idea. See, it's like, it's so weird. And this side right here, I have no idea. I have no idea why this, I touched it and it's just started to like, see that? I don't know why it's doing that, so that bothers me. And this one has a tonal stitching, which is also the same color as the purse itself. The silver tone actually stood out, which makes it so beautiful right there. This is just new and I'm already started to like, oh my gosh, maybe I have to call the 1-800 number for a replacement because that bothers me. This one bothers me, the dent right here. And I don't know what's causing that. I have no idea what's causing that. I mean, this is just brand new and maybe the leather was softened in time, but right now it feels like it's plastic to me. Okay, so that's my thought. Beautiful. So anyway, that is my unboxing and a little bit of a review on this beautiful leather envelope wallet. This one came in with a lot of different colors. I got it from Nordstrom's and I think the color is stunning. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching and I will see you in my next video. Bye.